Let's make tomato mozzarella salad. So first we need cherry tomato, of course mozzarella, olive oil, seasonings. This is sweet paprika powder, salt and pepper, and of course balsamic vinegar, and of course some basil leaves. And that's it. Let's do it. First, just cut your tomato in the middle. So, I just cut the tomato in the middle. And then cut the mozzarella cheese into cubes. So, and then put some native olive oil, balsamic vinegar, your seasoning, also salt, pepper, and paprika powder. And then cut your fresh basil leaves. Put it in the tomato salad. Mix it all together. And it's finished. Basically, very easy. So you have your fresh cherry tomato mozzarella salad. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless everyone. Bye!